Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here I'll show you a very interesting, that is how to make a certain folder in your desktop or your laptop as hidden. That is, nobody can see that folder, only you can find out in your desktop screen that the folder is hidden and you can open up that folder. For example, I created this folder here and I press Alt to 55. You can see the name is vanish now. I'll press somewhere else. Yeah, this folder has no name. So how to make this folder icon vanish also? So here what I'll do is I'll simply right click, properties, customize, and I'll just put it aside so that you can see this folder icon. I'll simply press on this change icon. When change icon, you can see these are all invisible icons. So for example, I'll press this invisible icon. Okay, then apply. Look, here the trick lies. If you press OK here, then it will turn to black. So I'm not pressing OK here. I'm simply crossing this. After pressing apply, I'll simply go and close this window. You can see the folder is hidden. This folder is nowhere to be found. But if I go and drag and select this area, you can see a light highlighted thing will be shown. If I double click here, you can see the hidden folder is here. So what I can do, I can simply drag it anywhere I want so that not generally people would go to this place and see this part of the folder. You can press somewhere here, you can see the folder is hidden. I'll go and for example change my desktop to some lighter version. Let me see. So you can see again this folder is nowhere to be seen unless I put my cursor here, which only this will be highlighted. So friends, that's it. I hope you learned something. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to the channel Infotainment. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.